Omron 2J CIE environmental sensors integrate Bluetooth and sensors into a ready-to-use package, with multiple sensors for use in different environments and embedded memory to store measurements when no connection is available. 2J CIE sensors are available in multiple form factors. All include temperature, humidity, light, pressure, and sound level sensors. The battery-powered bag-type sensor also senses UV index, and is available. Sensor includes an accelerometer and equivalent total VOC sensor for a total of 7 sensors. Sensor data can be passed to the cloud through a smartphone or gateway. It can be stored in onboard memory for later retrieval and analysis, with enough memory to store data for approximately 3 months at 5-minute sample intervals. This data can then be analyzed in the cloud to provide users notifications of adverse conditions or changes in the monitored environment. Omron 2J CIE environmental sensors can be used in the home to monitor room environments, sleeping conditions, infants, and the elderly. The sensors can be used in offices or factories to monitor conditions of the work environment, and they can also be used outdoors to alert users to weather changes and monitor UV exposure.